The magnanimous king. Long ago, a king ruled peacefully over Benares Principality. He was a just and intelligent king loved by his subjects. One day, when an enemy king attacked the Benares, the king set out with his army to defeat the enemy. Unfortunately, he was defeated in the battle and he had to flee. He fled till he reached the village. Hari, a king and a humble peasant, who lived in this village, saw the injured king. He treated the king's wounds and cared for him lovingly till he was well again. After recovering, the king said, "Hari, I am the king. I am grateful for your hospitality and care. Come to my palace someday so that I can reward you." The king, being just and generous, did not forget Hari, whom he wanted to reward generously for his kind and compassionate deed. Many years passed, the king recovered his lost strength. The king finally won back the kingdom he had lost years ago. However, for some reason that the king was not aware of, Hari did not meet the king. Meanwhile, the king got worried about Hari having not heard from him for a long time. Finally, the king sent his ministers to bring Hari to the palace. The ministers brought Hari to visit the king. The king welcomed Hari graciously and said, "You took care of me like a brother. So, just like a brother, I give you half of my kingdom." The king gave Hari half of his kingdom and built a lovely palace for him. Thereafter, they became the best of friends and ruled the kingdom together. Since they were always together, they grew stronger by the day. Those who fought against them were always defeated. Their enemies began fearing them and could not take courage to attack them. The subjects lived and prospered in their kingdoms.